Oregon. A land of wild contrasts and untamed beauty. From the moody, windswept coastline where waves crash against jagged cliffs, to the rolling hills of towering pine trees that stretch as far as the eye can see, this place is a world unto itself. The coast, with its rugged allure, seems to steal the spotlight, which we totally get. That's why we came to Oregon in the first place, to experience the magic of this rocky, untamed coastline. But if you look beyond the waves and the cliffs, there's another side of Oregon waiting to be discovered. Here, the landscape shifts. Pine forests stretch across rolling hills, concealing waterfalls and other hidden wonders beneath their dense canopy. It's quieter, more remote, but no less remarkable. We could feel a pull, inviting us away from the coastline and deep into the heart of Central Oregon's forests in search of an adventure. But first, we gotta get some groceries.
Perfect. That's really. Here we go to the center.
Fully stocked on groceries, we woke up the next morning nestled in the pines of the Umpqua National Forest, just outside of Crater Lake National Park, home to the deepest and arguably one of the coldest lakes in the U.S. We're planning to spend the day driving the 32-mile Volcano Rim drive around the lake, and both of us are definitely going to use that time to peer pressure the other into jumping in that frigid water.
Did you sleep good last night?
We'll see who wins this one.
Are you sneaking some coffee?
He's like, I'm an old man. I need my cup of joe in the morning.
Yeah. I don't think you're gonna get in. If I was a betting woman, I would say you're not getting in that water, sir.
YOLO, right?
I'll get in.
No, you won't.
You didn't get in an Olympic. I did.
Look at you, bub.
Oh, I have the worst wedgie of my life now. I think it's your turn. I think it's your turn to go cliff jumping. Right?
How long were you up there?
Go. I can't with you guys. Go.
That doesn't matter. What matters is that it was sent. I jumped.
Okay.
I feel like we're talking a big game right now, but we'll get over there and we'll look at that water, and it's going to be, at least it'll be warm. It'll be 82 degrees, hopefully.
It's 9 o'clock. Let's get going.
Ready? We go explore. I'm freaking pumped. What are you eating in there?
Poop out of foot.
2.2 miles,
Yeah.
700 feet elevation.
Yep.
Okay, let's do it. Are we bringing our swimsuits? Might as well.
Yeah, might as well. It's getting steeper.
All right, if I get in, you're getting in, right?
I'll think about it on the way down.
You crushed it. How'd it feel?
It's blue.
Yeah? Fonz, I'm not gonna lie, I kinda wanna chicken out.
What?
I said I kinda wanna chicken out.
You're gonna chicken out.
No.
The water does feel good.
Yeah. I think that might be the coldest water I've ever been in my life. Felt like it was like on pins and needles.
Can confirm.
Can confirm. Fit check. Shorts from Target. Shoes from REI. Jacket from Boyfriend. Tank top from Molly. Backpack from Boyfriend.
Hat from Boston.
Hat from Boston. I actually got this at a game. Don't understand how I got stuck with a backpack for the hike up. Oh. We're rocking it. Let's go.
There's a wide stance, my guy.
Okay. Great. Look at that gentleman. Taking the backpack. Oh my God. He's just the best. He's just... Okay, coming down here, not bad at all. Going back up is not as chill, but it is beautiful. Crazy to think that was a volcano. Crazy to think we just swam in a volcano. It's pretty neat. I think I have a Nick steak in my future.
I don't know if you do.
What?
It's funny, our futures are not reading the same.
What do you mean? It's the only grocery we have left.
My future told me something about Chick-fil-A.
Oh, I don't think they got those out here in these parts. We made it.
Huh?
We made it.
We made it.
Hi.
Buddy.
Spoiler alert, there was no Chick-fil-A, but we did find something even cooler for the next day. We're headed to the Umpqua Hot Springs. Yesterday we were in frigid cold water inside the volcano. Today we are going to
We're going to heaven.
warm. Oh! Perfect way to start the day.
Ooh, that is effing hot.
You fell asleep. You look dead. All right, let's head back, make some coffee, and go see a waterfall. Yeah? What is this?
Should we be back there?
Is this gonna blow? Like, so wild. It's a big ass pipe that is spewing everywhere. So is this a thing or is this like...
It says the pipe is a penstock that diverts water from the Toketee Reservoir upstream to a hydroelectric power plant just downstream that was built in 1949. They call it the Toketee Car Wash.
How is this place not just like completely flooded? Toketee Car Wash. 48 hours here in Central Oregon, we swam in a volcano, soaked in hot springs, and hiked down to one of the most insane waterfalls we have ever seen. Just a few more reasons why Oregon, with its stunningly diverse landscapes, stands out as one of the most beautiful states we've ever visited. Until next time, Oregon, we'll be back.
I think I just ate some paper towel. Oh, I did.
Did he just fart?
Mama,
Did you just toot?
is that a farting?
Em's already getting into her senior citizen hobbies, just making sure she's good at them by the time it rolls around.
It's all over. I woke up 30 one morning, my back hurt, my knees are cracking, and I'm ready to buy a pair of binoculars. You okay, buddy? Live in a van, they said. It'd be fun, they said.